Hello everyone. A lot of people have actually been asking, is ticket flipping legal? Can you actually buy and sell tickets for a profit? And so we're going to be addressing this in today's video. So you may have this preconceived notion that this is what ticket selling looks like. It's on the street in front of a venue, someone handing someone cash for some tickets. And yes, this still happens, but it is unlawful in some cities. You are not allowed to sell on the premises of the venue within a certain amount of feet. For cash in this scenario that is unlawful in some cities. But we absolutely do not even encourage it. We don't do any of this. We do not do this by any means. All we do is we simply list our tickets on StubHub. Now, StubHub is a ticket resale site, and we're going to be talking about them and their credentials and why they're so great in just a bit. But all they are is a ticket resale site where any fans or anyone, no license needed, can actually go on and purchase tickets or sell them, just like eBay, where you can buy something or you can sell something. And so StubHub is a ticket resale site. That's all they are. And they are actually owned by eBay. eBay owns StubHub 100%. They're the parent organization. And as you know, they do have an A+ BBB rating. So they are an accredited business under the BBB. So that's just one of their credentials. And they've been around now for about 18 years. StubHub itself is a company that's been around a little bit longer, but the online platform has been around now for about 18 years. So they're going strong, billion dollar company. And here's some billboards across the country or in different parts of the world. So StubHub is a very big company, 100% legitimate. And so you can see here some billboards in New York and different parts of the world, just so you know they are 100% legit. And they have deals and partnerships and are actually advertised by sports leagues. So as you can see here, some headlines: StubHub signs 5-year deal with NFL, Yankees sign deal with StubHub, official ticket resale partner. So as you could see, StubHub is 1000% legit, multi-billion dollar company. They're just a ticket resale site, and that's all we do. We simply list our tickets on StubHub. So yes, this is legal in all states and countries. There are no concerns or worries about that. This is something that's very legitimate. It's evergreen. It's going to be around for the next 1,000 years. The entertainment industry has been around since the Roman ancient times and will continue to be around. So just wanted to address this in this video. Yes, this is legal in all states and countries. So hopefully that will, perhaps influence your decision whether or not to do this business, and maybe got some, little nuggets out of it, maybe that you didn't know what the business was like. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and be sure to subscribe, leave a comment, like the video, and share it with a friend if you want to do this business and maybe you know someone else that's interested. You can take a look. Of course, the link is down below, and you can check more of our program. Thank you very much, and take care. Bye-bye.